Title: Why do some people sneeze at the sun? Thoughtful face emoji. Hook: Ever wonder why the sun makes some people sneeze? Sun with face emoji. Curiosity and tension: It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and it's more common than you think. Imagine just stepping outside and, achoo! You're sneezing because of the bright light. But what's really going on inside your body? Payoff: When sunlight hits your eyes, it triggers a nerve that's close to the one responsible for sneezing. This accidental cross-wiring sends a signal to your brain, just like when you have a tickle in your nose. Surprisingly, this reflex affects about 18 to 35% of people. So next time you're out in the sun and start sneezing, you can impress your friends by explaining that it's actually because